You can also account on your project in your quantities and your material takeoff is to account for your subsurface soil types, such as your clays, silts, rock, so on. And you do this by defining the strata. So under takeoff, you've got defined strata, where I can come in here and define what that initial strata is. So I could come in and use my original ground and define that this is the on-site soil. Maybe that's my on-site topsoil. Then my next layer might be my sands, and I can then select that. You can see here that I've identified or created through my material site improvement manager a material type. So I'm going to choose that one. I can do clays and come over here and set the clay as well as the rock. So if I have rock that I'm encountering, I can make sure I account for that. So when you do this and define this stratum, what happens is it's going to create those surfaces. So just by choosing and creating and defining your strata, you'll see that now I have a clay surface, a rock surface, and a sand surface. Now once you create your boring logs, it will adjust those surfaces to account for their depths.